For question number 11, my first step is to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. Now I want my highest power term to be positive, so I want to move these ones to the left rather than moving these ones to the right. So this is going to be x cubed plus 2x squared minus 16x minus 32 is equal to 0. So my next step would be to try to factor out a GCF out of all 4 terms. There is nothing common to all 4 terms, so I could just go ahead and do the factor by grouping. So out of the first 2 terms I can take out an x squared, leaving me with an x plus 2. And then I can take out a minus 16, also leaving me with an x plus 2. So then if I complete the factor by grouping, it's going to leave me with x plus 2 and x squared minus 16. Now the x squared minus 16 is a difference in 2 squares. So that can factor further to be x minus 4, x plus 4. And that's as far as we can factor. So now each different factor I'm going to set equal to 0. And then solve. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. If I move the 2, it's going to be x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 4, and x is equal to negative 4. So these would be my 3 answers. Now I do want to show a way that you can check this on the calculator. And it's using the table feature. So first I want to make sure that my table is set up correctly. So if you go to second and then window, it'll take you to table settings. And you want to make sure that your independent variable is set to ask and your dependent variable is set to auto. Then you want to go into the y equals menu, and I'm going to type in the left hand side of my original equation. So this is number 11. My left hand side I'm going to type in y1. My right hand side I'm going to type in y2. Then I'm going to go to the table. So second graph takes you to the table. And if you plug in your answers into x, so negative 2, 4, or negative 2, 4, and negative 4, look at the y1 and y2. If these match, and they all match, then that means that the value that you plugged in for x is an answer. I also put in a false answer, meaning 5, and that shouldn't match, meaning I get 175 and I get 112 here. So that means that 5 is not a solution. So that's good. So negative 2, 4, and negative 4, because you get the same number here as you do here, that means that this works out. So this is an alternative to plugging in the numbers manually. You can just use the table and it will plug them in quite quickly, and you can check to see if it really is your answer. So you don't have to do this, but this is available for you.